think I'm gonna head home. I just heard a weird noise on my bike. Let me listen to my bike. I think I ran something over. I'm hearing something. I'd like to turn around. Well, shit. This is definitely not working out the way I planned. I gotta go home and see if I got something in my tire. Hopefully it's just a broken spoke or something making noises. Back to Acacia I go, unless I just passed up. No, I didn't pass up Acacia. There's Acacia. Figures I'd run something over. I mean, I'm not losing any tire pressure or anything, but